In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the fan speed on the Hisense air conditioner. Currently, we're in cooling mode, temperature is 22 degrees centigrade, temperature has been set, and the fan speed is set to auto. Now, to change the fan speed, one, you need to identify the fan speed button. Okay, this is right here. Okay, what you do, you press the fan speed button once to change from one speed to the other. For example, it's in the auto right here. So to change to the next one, you press the fan speed right here as you point it at the SA unit. Okay, yes, then it changes to the higher. Okay, the previous one was the auto. Now it's within the higher aspect. Okay, you press, you move to the high. Okay, as evidenced by the icon right here. Okay, then next is medium. Okay, as evidenced by that right there. Then you press, you go to the low. Okay, yes, then the last one being the lower. Okay, now those are the different fan speeds. Okay, now remember that when the fan speed is set to higher, there's going to be a lot of noise, but on the lower end of the fan speed, it's actually going to be a little bit quieter. Just remember that if we are actually in the dry mode, the fan speed is set to auto. Okay, so pressing the button will actually have no effect. And if we are in the fan only mode, the auto option is actually not available. For example, if I change this mode, this is a dry mode. Okay, in the dry mode, fan speed is set to auto. Okay, so that means you can actually see it is set to auto by this icon right here. Okay, yes, it is set to auto. So pressing the button, the fan speed button, will have no effect. As you can see, there's no change in the fan speed. Now, if we actually in the fan only mode, if I press the mode button right here, we are in the fan only mode, right here, as evidenced by this fan icon. Yes, the auto is actually not available. You can actually see the fan speed is actually not within the auto. When I press the fan speed button to change the fan speed, see there's a change, okay? But the auto option is actually not available. For those air conditioners which are actually support the heating mode, yes, you can also adjust the fan speed accordingly by pressing the fan speed to change accordingly. Okay, that's how you change the fan speed on the Hisense air conditioner. If you like such content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Catch you in the next one.